Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will talk about how to install Winrar on Windows 11 and how to use it on Windows 11. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to get the latest content from this channel. Let's start the tutorial. The first thing to do is go to the download link. And then you can click download Winrar. Download is starting and wait until the download is complete. And then you can click and run the download file until it shows like this. Click install to start installation. Your installation is complete and now you can use your Winrar. And that is how to install Winrar on Windows 11 and how to use it on Windows 11. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment box below. I hope this video useful and I'll see you in the next video.